On February 26th of 2025, the determined fishermen came once again to the Courtney Campbell Causeway to target sheepshead, but not knowing what would actually come to fruition. Holy shit indeed. There is a whole school of sheepshead just congregating near the rocks. Keep in mind, these fish are easily spooked, so a clever tactic is key when targeting sheepshead. Splashing around with heavy weights and big sinkers will scare them off. The determined fisherman uses a 1/4-ounce split shot.
Oh, squid, okay. Thank you.
The determined fisherman seems to always come across the coolest fisherman while fishing. Moments later, the generous fisherman further down hooked up with something that gave a pretty good fight.
Oh no, I'm right off the rock.
Is it a shark? Is it a big red or black drum?
That's a big steak ray.
Oof, I did not see that coming. Unfortunately, the determined fisherman's GoPro overheated and failed to record the catch of this beauty. On another sad note, this wasn't a keepy sheepy, so the determined fisherman had to release it. The predatory pelican enters, stage left. So the determined fisherman decided to walk further down the causeway.
On the other side, I caught a one sheep head, but it was like about yay big.
Well, your buddy's waiting on some.
Oh yeah, he's always waiting.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Looks like her wishing the determined fisherman good luck paid off. Oof. And here comes that predatory pelican.
He's trying to get me.
The pelican is trying its hardest to steal the determined fisherman's whiting from him.
Oh, and add whiting to the list.
It's going to be a difficult task to safely release this fish.
Trying to release him, but he's going to try to catch him before I release him.
Will these things attack you?
Well, like they've flown on my neck before, and but like they haven't like pecked me, but they'll get real close just to try to get your fish. Yeah. And now he's gonna try to get it as soon as I throw it. Swim, swim, swim! Oh! Oh no! He got away.
The determined fisherman, determined as ever, casted out another live shrimp using a single drop shot rig setup instead of free lining with a split shot to see what is in the middle column instead of the bottom. And of course, the predatory pelican stands close by waiting for an opportunity to strike.
trout. Get away from me. Fish. Oh man, come on. Oh, go. Oh, you mother. Oh, you thief. Oh man. Ever throw a big trout like that? God dog, man. Oh man. Now I done paid my tax. Now you need to get on. You so.
While the pesky predatory pelican is distracted trying to swallow that white trout, the determined fisherman gives it another go. And so far, the determined fisherman has been 2 for 2 consecutively. Well, now he's 3 for 3 if he lands it. Luckily for this whiting, its release should be easy peasy since the pesky predatory pelican is still occupied. For some unbeknownst reason, the determined fisherman's GoPro once again failed to capture the catch of this speckled trout. But here is the release. Just in the nick of time.
Yeah, that's right, man.
This turned out to be a really great honey hole. Will this whiting make it safely back into the water? That was pure luck for the fish. One eye on the fishing rod, and the other eye on the pesky predatory pelican, the determined fisherman waits patiently for something to bite. Sadly, the whiting swallowed the whole shrimp, and now it's got hooked. This is where a good pair of pliers designed for fishing would come in handy. But this type of hook removal decreases the fish's odds of survival drastically. Well, the injured fish could not escape the hungry clutches of the pesky predatory pelican.